Myself, Umapati, MES PU College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Malleshwaram, Bangalore. Already I have taken 2 classes. In that I have explained range, quartile deviation, calculation of quartile deviation for different types of data, means 3 types of data, and also definitions. This class I'll continue with mean deviation. It is a third measure of dispersion, mean deviation. Mean deviation. MD. Short form is MD, mean deviation. Definition is it is a mean of absolute deviations. Mean of absolute deviations of a set of observations. Set of observations from any measure of a central tendency. It is a mean of absolute deviations of a set of observations from any measure of central tendency. So central tendency, we have 5 measures. So mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean. But in here, no, in the syllabus we discussed. So we calculate mean deviation from the 3 averages: mean, median and mode. It is denoted by MD. Short form is MD. So mean deviation we can calculate from arithmetic mean. So mean deviation from mean. So I'll write formula, all the formula in the table. Mean deviation from mean. Mean deviation from median. Mean deviation from mode. So symbolically, mean deviation from mean. So mean deviation from mean, x bar. Mean deviation from median, bracket capital M. Mean deviation from mode, symbol is Z. And 3 types of data, ungrouped data. ungrouped data, and also ungrouped data and discrete frequency distribution, discrete data, continuous data means no continuous frequency distribution, continuous frequency distribution. So in a simple form, in easy way, you can keep in the mind all the formulae. And also we have a relative measure, coefficient is relative measure, coefficient of mean deviation, coefficient of mean deviation. So in case of it is mean deviation, already symbol is there, I am writing again, mean deviation from mean. In case of ungrouped data, for mean, modulus of summation modulus of x minus x bar by n. So from this now you can write from the definition this formula, it is a mean of, so mean of absolute deviations of a set of observations from any measure of central tendency, here mean, deviations taken from mean and ignoring sign, it is called absolute deviation. Ignoring signs of the deviations are called absolute deviations, then mean by n. So summation modulus of x minus x bar by n. For mean I'll complete first. So mean deviation, mean deviation from mean in case of discrete data, same formula here, numerator f into modulus of x minus x bar by capital N, where x is variable, and n is total frequency, f is class frequency. Mean deviation from mean for continuous data, same formula, here f values are mid values, here f values are given variable values or variable values. Coefficient of mean deviation for from mean, coefficient of mean deviation from mean is formula mean deviation from mean by mean. So if you learn how to write formulae for mean deviation from mean, same formula you can apply by replacing by m, means by median, you will get the formula for mean deviation from median, and by replacing with z in place of x bar, you will get the formula for mean deviation from mode. Here mean deviation from median for ungrouped data same, some modulus of x minus m, replacing x bar with small n is number of replacing x bar with m. Here also same, mean deviation from median. So summation f into modulus of x minus m by capital N, then mean deviation from median for continuous data also same, f into modulus of x minus m by capital N. Here x values are midpoints, x values are midpoints. Here mean deviation relative mean deviation by coefficient of mean deviation mean deviation is mean deviation by mean. Mean deviation from mean by mean. By mean. Similarly, mean deviation from median by median. By median. Here similarly, mean deviation from mode is summation modulus of x minus z by n and mean deviation from mode for discrete data summation f into x minus modulus of x minus z by capital N. Mean deviation from mode for continuous data is the same formula. Here no mode is calculated. Mode and median values are calculated, mean values are calculated respective data. If ungrouped data is given, ungrouped data procedure, and discrete data method, and continuous data method. That should be calculated. Then deviations are taken from the respective averages. Then totals are substituted. All these formula depends on the question. Depends on the mean deviation from median or mode or mean. Then here mean deviation coefficient is mean deviation from mode by mode. So it is no, here I have written last. So last formula is relative measure. Last formula is so relate to coefficient of mean deviation. It is called relative measure of mean deviation. Relative measure of mean deviation. So first I will complete sums related to ungrouped data for mean, median and mode. For mean, median and mode. So see the table, you practice all the formulae. So only you should keep in the mind mean deviation from mean. So by replacing m and z, you will get the corresponding formula for different types of data. So merits and demerits. Merits are it is based on all the observations. Range, it is based on all the observations. It is based on all the observations. So it considers all the observations in calculation. So it is a better measure than range and quartile deviation. In range, we consider only extreme values, means ending values, highest value and lowest value. In calculation of quartile deviation, only 50% of the observations, and it considers all the observations. Then demerits, it ignores main demerit is it ignores the signs of the deviation. If you get difference as negative, we are considering as positive. So ignoring signs of deviations. So, but it is now practically we use standard deviation as the standard deviation further statistical analysis, because here no it ignores the signs of the deviations. So it is not satisfying mathematical properties. some mathematical so it is based on all the observations is important, and no, it is used in further mathematical treatment. Further mathematical treatment, and no, it is not. Then demerits is mainly. So it is well defined. It is well defined means mathematically well defined, but ignoring signs is demerit. Mathematically well defined. So well defined means exactly accurately define the so definition. Well defined means no, it explains so formula I have derived from the I have written from the definition, no, so it is well defined. Then it cannot be computed for open and distribution. So first demerit is it ignores all algebraic signs of deviation, no. Second one is, so it cannot be computed for open and distributions. Open and distribution. So open and class intervals. That no already have studied in measures of central tendency, and no it comes in classification also. So so what will be the open and class intervals? So open and distribution. Now we'll come to the so sums. So based on discrete data. So based on ungrouped data, I'll complete the sums first, problems first. So page number in the textbook. So while watching this video, so this class, so you see the textbook also. So page number uh, 159. Page number 159. Page number 159. Example 10. Sum is calculate mean deviation calculate mean deviation from mean and its coefficient and its coefficient for the following data. For the following data observations given as 100, then 150, 200, 360, 490, 500, 600, 100, 150, 200, 360, 490, 500, 600, totally 7 observations. Solution. The given data is an ungrouped data. First you should identify type of the data, ungrouped data. Then once you identified, so according to that, so we need mean formula for ungrouped data. So first x and x minus x bar deviations table with 3 columns. So 2 columns are sufficient. Next some onwards, no, so you maintain only modulus values. Here I took original signs also only for clarification purpose. Modulus, from then enter the values. Values are x values. Given values are x values: 100, 100, 150, 200, 360, 490, 500, 600. 600. Total is 2400. Mean in case of ungrouped data, mean x bar equal to summation x by n. Here x is x total 2400 by 7. So n equal to 7 observations. Answer is 342.86. Then x minus x bar. So in place of x bar, 342.86. Substitute that value. Here no, it is minus. Then substitute. It is the formula in place of x bar. In place of x bar, write the value. Mean value 100 minus 342.86 minus 242.86. Then minus 150 means 190 minus 192.86. Then 200 minus 142.86. 360 minus 342 is 17 plus 17.14 plus 17.14. Then plus 17.14, 147.14. Then 157.14, 257.14. Now ignore the signs of deviations. This here no, we need in the formula, mean deviation formula, mean deviation from mean is equal to, for ungrouped data, summation modulus of x minus x bar by small n. So find modulus values. So write as positive 242.86, 192.86, 142.86, 17.14, 147.14, 157.14, 257.14. Total is summation modulus of x minus x bar, which is equal to 1157.14. So substitute the total 1157.14 by n 7, which is equal to, answer is 165.31. Use the calculator and find the answer. So 165.31. Then coefficient of mean deviation from mean equal to mean deviation from mean by mean equal to 165.31 by 7. Mean is by 342.86 equal to 0.482. 0.482. So in case of mean, taking deviation from mean, median means m, mode means z. So here next sum onwards, next problem onwards, you can, if you get negative, write as positive directly. This column is not required. This column is not required. So next, Example 11. It is for median. I'll explain. Calculate mean deviation. Calculate mean deviation. Calculate mean deviation from median. From median and its coefficient. Its coefficient or relative measure its coefficient from the following data or for the following data. Data observations are given as 37, 45, 52, 46, 56, 40, 47, 55, 43. So observations 37, 45, 52, 46, 56, 40, 47, 55, 50, 43. So it is the given data. Totally 10, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 observations are there. 9 observations are there. So here solution, the given data is an ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, already have learnt how to calculate median. Median m equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation in the order, in the array. Observation in the array. So array means write all the observations in the order. So array I'll write here only. First least value. Which is the least value? Array is 37. Least value. Then next to least value 40, 43, 45, 45, 46, 47, 52, 55, 56. It is array. 9 observations in the order. N equal to 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2th observation in the array. So 9 to 10 by 2, fifth observation in the array. Now see the array first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So median m equal to 46. Median m equal to 46. Then take the table x minus x values first, then x minus median, directly take modulus values. 9 observations are there. So x values are, so you can write order or given data. 37, 45, 52, 46, 56, 40, 47, 55, 43. So in place of m, 46 is the median. So 37, in place of x, substitute all these values. 37 minus 46 is 9. It is actually minus 9. Write as positive plus 9. 45 minus 46, minus 1 plus 1, then 52 minus 6 plus 6. All are positive values only. 46, 0, 10, 6, 1, 9, 43, 3. Summation modulus of x minus m is equal to total is 40, total is 45. Total is 45. Therefore, mean deviation from median for ungrouped data, summation modulus of x minus m by n, which is equal to 45 by 9 is equal to 5. Coefficient, coefficient of coefficient of mean deviation from mean is equal to mean deviation from from median, coefficient of mean deviation from median by median equal to 5 by 46 equal to 0.108. Okay, I think you understood. So depends on the given raw data, you should calculate median value, then take deviations from median. Take deviations from median. So in place of m, median value I have substituted, then took deviations and ignoring the sign. The total is summation modulus of x minus m. Substituted in the formula, answer is 5. Coefficient of mean deviation is mean deviation from the particular measure by same measure. So mean deviation from median by median. So it is the answer. So next example 12, mean deviation. Example 12. So calculate mean deviation. Calculate mean deviation from mode and its coefficient. Coefficient for the following data. For the following data given as, okay, I'll write in the next line, 7, 4, 10, 9, 15, 12, 7, 9, 7, 8. So write all the observations. So it is the given data. Solution is calculate mean deviation from mode and its coefficient for the following data. In solution, first you should identify type of data. The given data is an ungrouped data. An ungrouped data is an ungrouped data. The given data is an ungrouped data. Is an ungrouped data. Therefore, so it is an ungrouped data. If it is ungrouped data, what is the formula for mode? Z equal to the value which is repeated, maximum number of times or highest number of times, maximum number of number of times in the data. So in the data, so 9 is repeated 2 times. 9 is repeated 2 times. And 7 is repeated 3 times. So highest time is 7. Z equal to 7. Then frame the table x. Then x minus z modulus. So x values 7, 4, 10, 9, 15, 12, 7, 9, 7, 8. So here x minus 7 is the mode. First 0. 4 minus 7. 4 minus 3 is write as plus 3. Then here difference is 2. 8, 5, 0, 2, 0, 1. It is summation modulus of x minus z equal to so values 0, 3, 3, 2, 8, 5, 0, 2, 2, 0. Last observation is 18. Write as 18. Here also 18. Here 11. Total is 34. So data given us, it is not 8, 18. Not 8, 18. So according to that, so you will get deviation as 34. 34. Therefore, mean deviation from mode equal to summation modulus of x minus z by n equal to values 34 by n equal to number of observations 10 equal to 3.4. Then coefficient of mean deviation from mode equal to mean deviation from mode by mode. So 3.4 by 7 is equal to, mode is 7, is equal to 0.48. So it is 34. So first I have taken observation as 8. So you can write whatever, even 8 also you will get the answer. But in the textbook it is given as 18. So I made it as 18. I think you understood. For ungrouped data, mean deviation from mean, from median and mode. Now I'll go to the discrete data. For discrete data, mean deviation from mean, from median and mode. First I'll complete mean deviation from median. So we depends on the So example 14. Example 14. Mean deviation. Calculate coefficient of mean deviation from median for the following data. For the following data. Coefficient of mean deviation from median for the following data. Data given as X and F. X values 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. F values 8, 12, 18, 8, 2, 1. So you can frame the two tables or one table. So how it is completed in the textbook, no? I'll complete. First you should find the solution. You should identify the type of the data. The given data is a discrete data or discrete distribution. The given data is a discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution. To find the mean, find mean. So first you should frame the table X, F, LCF. You can complete in one table or two tables. Can use values 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. F values 8, 12, 18, 8, 2, 1. Already you know how to find the LCF values. So LCF values frequency. First frequency as it is, LCF and frequency is same, then 8 plus 12, 20, 38, 46, 48, 49, 49, n equal to 49, n equal to 49, n equal to 49. So median is for discrete data capital N plus 1 by tooth observation in the array. Observation in the array. Observation in the array. Therefore, capital N is 49 plus 1 by tooth observation. Observation in the array. 50 by 2. 25th observation. 25th observation. To see the, so it lies in 38. You know how to find in central tendency you have learned. So corresponding value, it lies in 38. Corresponding value is median. Median equal to 7. Median equal to 7. Now, so another table for calculation of mean deviation. No? X, F, then X minus M modulus F into X minus M modulus. So X values 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. F values 8, 12, 18, 8, 2, 1. Modulus of X minus M is, so M is X minus 7. So 8 minus 7, 5 minus 7 minus 2, write as plus 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Differences. X minus 7, in place of x, substituting x values, you will get the deviations. Deviations from median. Then 16, 12 into 1, 12, 0, 8, 4, 3. Total is summation x minus m modulus equal to 28, 36, 40, 43. 43. Therefore, mean deviation from median for discrete data f into modulus of x minus m by n equal to, so 43 by n is 49. N is 49, 0.878. 0.878. 0.878. Then coefficient is coefficient of mean deviation from median equal to mean deviation from median by median by median. So which is, I'll continue here, which is equal to mean deviation from median is 0.878 by median is 7. So value is 0.125. 0.125. So I think you understood how to calculate mean deviation from median for a discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution. I'll continue in the next class.